Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm gonna share with you how I create this holiday makeup look. I'm gonna start with my brows using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I quickly fill in my brows and set them with the NYX Brow Glue. I'm doing the eyes first as it will be easier to clean up any mistakes without messing up the base. Now I'm gonna put on the eye primer from MAC and I'm using my finger to apply it. The eye primer will help the eyeshadow perform better and last longer. I will use the Dancing Green eyeshadow palette from Essence to create the eye look. I'm using a fluffing brush to pick up this shade and set the eye primer. For the smoky eyeliner look today, I'm gonna draw the eyeliner first using the Maybelline Tattoo Gel Eyeliner with a small wing liner brush from Sigma. I create a small wing at the end of my outer corner. Then I slowly build up the thickness and the length. Then I use an e.l.f. flat precision brush to pick up the brow shade and smoke out the wing liner. And then I go over it with a clean fluffy brush to buff out the edges. Next, I use another flat precision brush from Delum Tools, spray some water on and pick up this beautiful shimmer green shade to apply to my lid. Then I go back with the brow shade to blend out the edges between the shades. And again go back with a clean brush to make sure there's no harsh line. And then I'll apply the eyeshadow to my under lash line in the same order. After that, I curl my lashes and put on the L'Oreal Age Perfect Mascara. Now I quickly tie-line my waterline with the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Color Pencil. And I also put it on the outer third of my under waterline. And I use a brush to blend it out. I'm gonna put on the falsies to complete the look. I chose this style of lashes as it creates a very beautiful, delicate look without covering on the eyeshadow. Then I just copy everything to the other eye. After that, I use this light shimmer shade to make my inner corners pop. And now the eye look has completed. Let's move to the complexion. The primer I'm using is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I apply it all over my face to create a smooth canvas, and then I use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter to give a healthy and subtle glow to my skin. For the foundation, I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. I'm in shade Light. I also use my finger to apply and blend out because this technique works best for me. The warmth of my fingers will melt the products into my skin and spread it out evenly, create a very thin layer with a skin-like finish. Then I use a damp sponge to further even out the foundation and absorb any excess product. Next, I'm gonna conceal my dark circles with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I use the damp sponge to blend it out and also clean up the eyeshadow. For bronzer, I'm going to use this cream bronzer stick from Rare Beauty in shade Good Energy. I put it on the back of my hand and pick it up with a Real Techniques brush. Then apply it on my cheekbones, along my hairline and jawline. I also put some on the sides of my nose. Moving to blush, I'm using the Tower 28 blush in shade After Hours. It looks quite dark in the pan, but it's a lovely berry shade when blended out. I get some on the back of my hand and apply it with a Delum toothbrush. For cream products, this is the best way to apply as I can control how much product I put on and avoid overdoing it. I rather build up the intensity than apply too much and have to fix it. If you want the cream blush to last longer, set it with a setting powder or a powder blush, and you can do the same with the bronzer. I just want to keep everything glowy today, so I skip the powder and use the setting spray instead. I'm using the Benefit POREfessional setting spray. For lips, I wanna wear red for the holiday, but I'm feeling that the bold red lips can be a little bit too much for the whole look. That's why I'm gonna go for sheer red today to balance it out. First, I'm using the MAC Amplify lipstick in shade Dubonnet to apply on my inner lip area. Then use a brush to blend out to get the blotted lip look. Then I put the Clarins lip oil in shade Cherry on top of it. I love how this look turned out and I hope you love it too. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you do. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.